Students, in this video, we will learn about the linear search and binary search. So, let's first open the Turbo C. Students, now let's open the linear search program. I can write star CPP so that I can find all the programs with the extension CPP. And this is the linear search program. Students, this is the linear search program. The first line is hash include iostream.h. It means it is a header file, and the second line is hash include conio.h. It is another header file. We have discussed these things in the class. Now from here our main function is starting. The fourth line is int array and its size is 10. It means we are creating an array of integers, and the number of integers which can be stored here are 10, and these are the integers stored in this array: 29, 23, 45, 56, and so on. Now we have discussed the algorithm of this problem, and we have discussed that to apply the linear search, we will start the searching from the first element and we will go up to the last element, and if in the middle we have found that element, we will break or we will exit the search operation, right? So for this we will require an integer item, and we will also require one counter, and we will name it I. So firstly we will read or input the value of item we want to search. To do this we will use the cout statement, and after that we will read this with the help of cin, and we will store this in the item. Now we have used for loop here. The value of I is starting here with 0, and it is going up to 10 because the lower index is 0 and the highest index is less than 10, that is 9, right? And we are comparing the item with the array I, means we are comparing the item with the index value 0 in the first case, and after that in the second time loop will run, the value of I will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. We will compare these values one by one with item, and if this value is equal to item, in that case it will run these two lines, means it will give an output that cout the item found at location number I plus 1. We have kept the value as I plus 1 because from the user point of view the location number starts from 1, and we have also discussed this thing in the class. Okay, so these steps will be repeated, and suppose if during these steps it has found that item, it will give this thing in the result. And suppose it do not found the item, in that case this loop will be terminated due to this condition here. It means your I will become 10. So if your I has become 10, in that case you will give the output item not found, and after that this is the getCS statement. You know that the use of this statement is to hold the screen. Okay, so thank you.